Algebra 2, Lesson 97, Advanced Substitution. Don't be scared by the word advanced. All it means is we're going to be substituting values that are written as fractions. Right here, like this. Wait, no, like this, like that. Why is it so blurry? Man, if I had a nickel for every time I asked that in a video. Okay, so we're going to be substituting values like this that are written in fractions. That's the advanced substitution thing. It's not scary, I promise. It's not scary at all. Don't freak out. Don't let the word advanced scare you. Don't even look at the word advanced. Okay, let's go to a practice problem. So we'll use some advanced substitution, and we're going to solve this system of equations. Now, some of you may be asking, wouldn't it be easier to just use elimination? Yes, it would, but advanced substitution is a very good algebraic skill that carries on into a lot of other areas of math. So we're going to use advanced substitution. The easiest one to solve for is probably this bottom equation because I can solve for the x pretty simply. So I'm going to solve for x in this equation. So I'll rewrite that over here. I've got 2x minus 4y equals negative 2. First thing I'm going to do is move the 4y to the other side by adding it. So now I have 2x is equal to 4y minus 2. Then I'll divide everything by 2. What are they doing here? I was supposed to make it difficult and in a fraction. That didn't work. This can reduce. This will become 2y minus 1. Okay, well, for the sake of practice, we'll do this in fraction form. All right, just so you know, if you catch the book, then they made a mistake. This was a poor example problem. This could be reduced to 2y minus 1, but we'll just pretend like we didn't notice that because we're not good at we are good at fractions. We did notice it. Okay, the goal is to learn how to substitute fractions like this. So we're going to substitute this instead. So we're going to take this value, 4y minus 2 over 2, the x value, and we're going to substitute it into the top equation. So instead of writing x, I'm going to write, not use black, I just used black. We'll use blue. We'll write 5 times 4y minus 2 over 2 minus 3y equals 9. So from here, I'll go ahead and use distributive property. So that becomes 20y minus 10 over 2 minus 3y equals 9. From here, the way I would solve for the equation, I would just multiply everything by the denominator of 2. So this times 2, this times, we'll just do it like that. Distributive property makes life easier. That times 2. So when this multiplies by 2, these cancel. So I have 20y minus 10. That becomes negative 6y. That becomes 18. That's the key to advanced substitution. Multiply everything by the denominator, and you'll be fine. It'll be okay. Be good to go. So from here, we have a simple equation. We'll combine like terms. 20 minus 6 is 14y. We'll add 10 to each side. That gives me 28. So 14y equals 28. Then 1y is equal to 2. So y equals 2. If y equals 2, then I can go back to this equation, and I can plug it in here. So then 4 times 2 minus 2 divided by 2 is 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 over 2 is 3, so then x equals 3, and then we write our answer in the ordered pair 3, 2. Ta-da! Advanced substitution. That's all there is for this lesson. So substitute in a fraction form, multiply by the denominator on both sides of the equation, don't forget to distribute, and then solve. It's not too difficult. I hope you guys understand what just happened. If not, I'll see you in class.